Good morning. Today I will discuss 10th dated June 2020 Physics assignment key. Topic: Force and laws of motion. First question: name the scientist who provided for the first time that objects move with a constant speed when no force acts on them. For first question, answer Galileo. Second question, why do bicycles began to slow down when we stop pedaling? For second question, answer, this is because of frictional force acting opposite to the direction of motion. Third question, which law of motion gives the measure of force? Answer for the third question, Newton's second law of motion. Fourth question, when a force is applied on a body, what are the two essential effects it can produce? For this question, answer to listen. Initially, one block is there at rest position, a block of mass L. When we apply force on a body, then the body starts accelerating. Here we observe first point, change of state. Change of state means initial rest to motion or motion to rest, vice versa. Second point, change the shape of the body. For example, take one sponge in our hands. Apply the force in all the directions. What we observe? Shape of the sponge changes. Why? Because based on the applied force, it will change. Next question number 5. Define 1 Newton force. What is 1 Newton? 1 Newton is the unit of force. Here one block is there, a block of mass 1 kg. When we apply a force of 1 Newton on a body, then the body starts accelerating with 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. Once again I will repeat. 1 Newton is the magnitude of force which produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of mass 1 kg. Next question number 6. Why is it advised to the luggage with a rope on the roof of a bus? Answer for this question. When a moving bus suddenly stops, the luggage on its roof still tends to continue in the state of motion due to the inertia of motion. Thus, to avoid the falling of the luggage, it is tied with the roof on the roof of a bus. What is the meaning of this one? Here, types of inertia is there, means 3 will be there. Inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. This is related to inertia of motion. What is the inertia of motion? Inertia of motion related to this example. Bus will be there. On the surface of the bus roof, some luggage we get. There is no tie any other. When bus starts moving, whatever is there on the surface of the bus, on the surface of the roof, on the surface of the bus, whatever the objects is there, that's also moving. When we apply the brakes, suddenly we apply the brakes, bus will come to the rest position. Whatever is there, that luggage is in motion only because of inertia of motion. Automatically, whatever the luggage is there to fall. To avoid that, what we do? We will tie with the help of rope. Next question. 7. Mr. John wants to move 10 kg and 20 kg solid block from rest. Which blocks needs more force? Here very important point and the answer for this question, question number 7. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, or F is directly proportional to m. More force, more mass, more force is required. Less mass, less force is required to move an object. Next one here, 20 kg is there means that is more mass. For this 20 kg mass of the body, more force is required compared to 10 kg. Next question, for a constant mass, acceleration decreases. What happened to the net force? For 8th question answer. Here one block is there. Let a force F is applied on a body. Frictional force F in opposite direction. And compared to F, small f, capital F is larger. Then what we notice, now the block is moving with some acceleration. According to Newton's second law, F net is equal to F minus small f. F minus small f. When acceleration decreases, automatically F net decreases. When acceleration decreases, F net decreases. This is the answer for 8th question. 9th question, an athlete always runs some distance before taking a jump. Why? Same topic before we discussed. This topic also related to inertia of motion. When an athlete runs some distance, he increases his inertia of motion. At the jumping time, when he takes jump, this increased inertia of motion carries him over a long distance or height. Question number 10. State the meaning of recoil velocity of gun. Answer for 10th question. The velocity with which a gun moves backward after firing a bullet is called recoil velocity of the gun. What is the meaning of this statement? Initially, gun plus bullet before firing is in rest position. Before firing, gun plus bullet, whatever the system is there, in rest position. Once we fire, this gun mass is there means capital M, bullet mass is there means small m. Initially rest position. After firing, capital M is moving with a velocity capital V. Small m is moving with a velocity small v. This is the mass related to gun. This mass related to bullet. What we observed here, mv plus small m into small v is equal to 0. mv is equal to capital M, capital V. Small v is equal to, here minus minus capital M by small m into velocity. This is the complete assignment related to 10th 6th dated physics assignment. Thank you.